always getting prettier, getting finer, richer, wiser, body silly and designer. But you're always getting prettier.
Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl Michaela. I see you guys saw the new name change and the new, yeah, I did that. A lot of y'all will be like concerned, like, why did you change from Dipped in Chocolate? I love Dipped in Chocolate so much. You have already grown your brand around this name, Dipped in Chocolate. But I feel as though I needed a change, and so I'm starting with my name. So I've changed my name now to Michaela S. Michaela Spalding. You know, something simple, something original, because it's my name, right? Yeah. So from the title down below, you see that it's basically a rebrand video. Basically, me letting you guys know why I left for so long. You know what I've been doing. And updates. 2024. So basically I stopped posting from my birthday. My birthday was the last vlog. I'm not sure, but I think my birthday was the last vlog. Was it? Yeah, I think so. My birthday being the last vlog, a lot happened since October. A lot changed in my life, got better and got worse. But I am very thankful for my supporters, because I see that you guys are constantly seeing me on the road and be like, hey, Dipped in Chocolate, you need to post because I need some more videos on Riante. Thank you guys so much if you guys watching this. To the girl that must stop me on campus, to the guys that must stop me on campus, or wherever, Africa, everywhere you want to see me, I love y'all so much. Those words of encouragement went a far way, and I just want to extend my appreciation, my gratitude to you all. Okay, so basically, you know, this is an unboxing video while I give you guys my updates. So I got these packages for my Valentine. I'm excited. I'm so excited. I got these packages. These packages are my Valentine's gift, so I'm sharing my gifts with y'all. So this is tea. Right? So let's see what I got. I want to bite this so much, but I can't bite it on camera because I know what I'm going to say. Me a Jackula. Let me pop this open. Alright. So while I open this gift, I'm going to give you guys some updates. So, you know, October was my birthday and everything happened so well. And my birthday, you know, it did what it was supposed to do. Around November, you know, school hit me from left, right, and center. You guys do know, who don't know, I am a third-year student at University of the West Indies. So, therefore, I have a lot going on. Final year students, I pray that you guys find peace. I pray that the schoolwork doesn't overwhelm you. You don't feel depressed or anxiety doesn't take over your body, because it gets like that sometimes. And to be honest, I hope that nobody's experiencing that right now. So I went through it in December, because I spent December by myself too. So imagine being alone with on a holiday like Christmas. So that took a toll on my mental health, to be honest with you guys. I'm trying to be as transparent as possible so that you guys can understand why I took such a long break. I went out a lot and everything just to suppress the feeling, whatever I was going through during that time, because school was overwhelming. I had so many bills, and then being alone, you know. Yeah. I think I'm at a better space, or a better stage or place in my life right now, because I find myself, you know, learning to appreciate what is here, or what I have right now. I usually like think about things like too deep. Like I'll be like, oh my god, how am I going to do this if I don't have that? Or how am I used to procrastinate a lot. I still do, but I think I am learning to put things in order now. I am now 21 years old. That's a lot of pressure, because now you're thinking like you need to get this done because you're 21 years old and you'll soon be 25 in a couple of years, and the time is going by fast, because it was just January, it was just December the other day. Like how are we in February right now, and how is February finishing? Like it's March. Come on, there's a lot to do. Plus I'm doing 6 courses. Did 6 courses last semester, doing 6 courses now, and doing 6 courses, even 5, takes a big toll on your mental health, especially when the assignments are back to back, and then basically you don't necessarily have anyone to be like, oh, this is happening in my life, I need someone to talk to. You don't necessarily like have that. I didn't have that, because what I find about people, or what I find about myself, is that whenever I tell people like I'm going through this, they can't help me. They're gonna be like, oh, pray to God, or this and that. Yes, I know I do pray to God every night. I pray to him every day. Let me say every day. I have my Bible, I have my olive oil. Like I'm a real, religious person. But sometimes you want that friend to friend or family to family advice, or just that support, and I don't think I really have that, to be honest, because sometimes you don't want to burden people with whatever you're going through. So yeah, that's how I felt. So I got this cologne. I really wanted this so bad, and big up you, you're watching this, honey. Big you up, period. Like you clap the tea, period. So this is Untold. This is a fragrance that I fell in love with. Basically, I smelled it on this girl, and I was like, girl, what are you wearing? I need to smell like that. And she was like, oh, it's Untold. I'm like, really? Oh my god. Yes. So I'm not gonna really let you guys know like the full 100, but just know that from them time that me I tell you no, I wanna go sorry, me did alone for December. Just know honey's not alone again. Sorry. But for real, oh my god, this smells so good. Damn. So I don't know if these are samples. I think these are samples. Why may I tremble? I think these are samples because I can't smell it. Because I can't smell the 4 different colognes that on it. Okay, the big reveal, guys. The big reveal. Bombat. Big baller. My Benzema, this smell. Yo, I just know say this smell good. Well, I know say it smell good. I love. Yo, this and this smell kind of the same. Damn, they smell alike. But this say this I go way stronger. Like, oh my god, when I put on this, hide no man.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I do not girl. Just know. Me I come. Period. Alright, so another update. I'm in my final semester of university. Oh my god, I can't wait to finish. Even though I'm gonna miss university so much because I love school. I love the extracurricular activities. I love meeting friends. I love networking. It is such a beautiful act. So yeah, what else me want to tell you now? Oh yeah, even though I haven't been active on YouTube, I have been active on TikTok. So you guys can check out my TikTok page at Coco Skin 1876 or just Michaela. because I have been very active on TikTok. Like I've been getting the views on TikTok. Yeah. So what else more I'm telling about? Guys, let me tell you about I got basically giving you more updates on school than on anything else, because that was really like the main reason why I haven't been posting, because I could have balanced out plus me at work. So on a boy thing, mom want give you no update on like me relationship status, but we're afraid for telling no. But guys, just know say God is working. Oh my God. Whew. These are some stuff that I really wanted, and I got it for my Valentines. Like I'm so excited right now because alright, let me start from okay. So this is a fragrance that I bought for myself. Guys, I love over package. Like me just love packages. Like, oh my God, buy me everything and send it to me now. When I realize I'm kind of love fragrances, right? Yeah. So I bought this for myself like a good while ago, but I didn't pick it up because it was just this. This is whipped vanilla by Bodycology. I do have another Bodycology. This is Japanese cherry blossom. But this is nice. This could be my, you know, we could have sprayed this on me. I go to a shop or spray it on me. I just go somewhere like a little errand, spray it on. It's giving nice. Like I now have like what, 14 or 12, 14, 13 colognes. I'm doing good. So guys, for the rest of the for the rest of the my gifts, we have right here from the original store, never the fake.
Never the fake, honey. But yes, so me I talk about give me leave I do an update. Leave I do an update. Do an update.
I have to say, I was handled. That's all I have to say, honey. I was handled, triangled, period. That's all I gotta say. I was handled with care. Yeah, so in terms of school, let me give you an update. And stop lag. But yeah, in terms of school, I have been doing good. You know, my main goal is to do great. Because you know, final year you want your GPA for the skyrocket, because you know it's a first class honors and never third class honors. Period. Also the present, like the courses that I'm doing for this semester are mostly course work more than final exams. So I what you guys think? Comment in the comment section down below. I've been baffling, but sorry. Comment in the comment section down below and tell me, would you rather a final exam at the end of the semester or a full coursework course? You understand what I say? Yeah, if you go to college, you know what I say. But you get what I say. Like, you want to do this coursework or you want to do like a presentation and a final exam. I prefer the coursework because at the end of the day, with participation and just doing what you're supposed to do within the time space of like from the beginning to the exam period, you have to pass. Like, there's no way you're not going to pass that course. Alright, let me open her up and show you guys what's going on. I'm on this. What a little girl love money. I love money for sure. Money I'm like I'm a salvation and God. But yeah, she is beautiful. Honestly beautiful. I have a lot of coursework courses for this semester, and that's good. So that means it's good and bad because you know I have to stay on top of things if I'm doing that so that I can pass. But otherwise, you know, I'm doing good. I'm doing good, and I thank God for that. One thing we should learn, as especially students, is keep God in the mix. I realize when I keep God in the mix, everything works out well. Everything works out well. And in, say, December, I made a prayer. I did a prayer. I said, this is a very powerful prayer. So if you guys know it, you can comment down below and say, Michaela, yeah, one of the prayer, I've done it and I've seen the changes. I just said to God that God, whoever is not for me or won't impact my life in a positive way or won't direct me in the way destined by you, please take them out of my life without no regrets. And that's what happened. Every time I said that prayer, I've been losing good friends, even family members. Like, I've been losing people out of my life, and I don't regret it, because if they are not aligned with what God has destined for me, then therefore they shouldn't be in my life whatsoever, and I don't feel any way about it. So the ultimate gift are my Tories. So this is my second Tory, bitch. This is my second Tory. You know, I have the sandal, and these are the jelly beans. These are the jelly beans. Cutesy. Cute and nice. I'm gonna try some. Cause why them a low-key look big? Okay. Yeah. Perfect. Come and say, why you look big? But yeah, nice, cute, girly. Nice, cute and girly. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I said to God that God, remove some people out of my life, like whoever is not destined to be in my life or whoever will not be in my future. Like, if their time is up, just please. And he did direct me, he did help me out through that, and I just want to thank him. Just you know, just to put that out there, that have God as one of your central, like your core. Like, he should be in all your plans. He should be in your future plan, your current plan, like, you know. I will be dropping contents from hence on. I want to do a room renovation. You know, I be going out. So I'm definitely gonna do my vlogs them. It's not gonna be too different from Dipped in Chocolate, but this is gonna be, I'm going to do a lot more sit down content. So I'm going to do unboxing, talking to you guys, giving you guys advice. You know, I might just do a little big sister segment of this channel, because I realized that a lot of you young ladies actually, you know, love when I give you guys advice and you guys actually take the advice. So therefore, whatever I have in terms of, you know, any advice, any counseling, or if any mentorship or whatever, I would just, you know, let you guys know that, hey, as a big sister and have been through that and so forth, so I would rather you do that than do this, or these are the consequences of that, or doing this. So if you guys want, you can just comment down below anything you would like me to talk on, to address, or whatever. I could just make a separate video for that, or have a segment on my channel, like do a playlist and say, okay, big sister Michaela, big sister segment or whatever. So that's it for the updates. Basically, I just wanted you guys to know that I'm back. I am back, and I'll be dropping at least one content per week, because you guys have to bear with me. Remember, I'm working and I have school, and remember, it's my final year, so you know. But yes, I'm so relieved that I actually got the time, or got the courage basically, to sit down in front of a camera after like about 4 or 5 months. So yes, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell to be notified when the girl Dipped in Chocolate upload. Why said Dipped in Chocolate? When the girl Michaela uploads another video. Thank you. Wow, good.
Getting prettier, getting finer, richer, wiser, body silky and designer.